What up, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing a little project, spray painting this speaker box for those two 6.5 Skar subwoofers. This is going in on the 335. So yeah, stick around. Alright, this is like the second coat on the top. The sides it just started. See it? Stick around. Alright, I had to turn the flash on for this one. Do you guys approve? Let me know in the comments. How it came out. I think this is the third quote, or maybe fifth or fourth. I'm gonna just give it one last one. And then shoot it with some clear. See how it comes out. Alrighty, guys. So, throw on the final coat. Actually, no. I think I'm gonna have to get that bottom part a little bit more. Yeah, I think it's just the edges. Yeah, it's literally just the edges. But I don't want overspray, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it. What do you guys think? How does it look? Let's get some shine to it. I like it. Alright, I'm gonna let it dry and I'll come back to it.